Skipping parties, lying about plans, ghosting group chats sound familiar. You're not bad with money. You're just terrified budgeting will cost you your friends. Today, you'll get 3 ways to save and stay social. No FOMO, no awkward excuses, no guilt. Budgeting feels lonely because you cancel plans to save money, then lie to avoid shame. Cheap alternatives feel embarrassing, picnics versus brunch. Friends label you boring or stingy. Keep this up and you'll lose friends or worse, resent your budget. Use my system and you'll host epic hangouts for $10. Say no without guilt and turn friends into accountability partners. Skip this and you'll keep choosing between empty wallets and emptier DMs.
Welcome back, besties. If this is your first time coming across my channel, hi, I'm Penny, and here we believe every penny has a plan. No fluffs, no overcomplicated nonsense. Let's get into it.
The Stealth Wealth Social Calendar. Let's be real, socializing on a budget feels like walking a tightrope. Cancel plans and you're labeled flaky. Show up and overspend and you're stuck eating ramen for weeks. But what if you could keep your friends and your cash? Enter the Stealth Wealth Social Calendar, a system to make socializing intentional, affordable, and guilt-free. The problem no one talks about, budgeting in secret breeds isolation. You lie about being busy, dodge group chats, or worse, go into debt to keep up appearances. Friends don't know you're stressed about money, so they keep planning $100 brunches. You're trapped in a cycle of FOMO, resentment, and ramen noodles. The fix isn't hiding, it's strategizing. The 3-tier system with a twist. Tier 1, the free and fearless hang. Examples: game nights, ask everyone to bring a board game, park picnics, DIY spa nights, or free museum days. Script to sell it. Let's do something chill. I'll bring snacks and my terrible karaoke skills. Psychology hack. Frame it as retro or nostalgic to make cheap feel intentional, not cheap. Tier 2, the budget baller experience. BYOB paint nights, thrift store shopping challenges, or matinee movies with smuggled snacks. Script to sell it. I found this cool in bracket activity for $15. Let's make it a meme. Always split costs in advance to avoid awkward Venmo requests later. Tier 3, the treat yo self-splurge. Examples: fancy dinners, concerts, weekend trips, limit to 1 per month. Script to sell it. I'm saving for bracket and event next month, you in? Power move. Book Tier 3 plans in advance so friends see them as special, not stingy. How to roll this out without sounding broke. Lead with FOMO. I'm obsessed with this new park. Let's grab coffee and check it out. There's a free comedy show downtown. We have to go, it'll be a train wreck. Normalize budgeting. I'm trying to save for X, but I still wanna hang. Let's get creative. Most friends will be relieved you brought it up first. Create a shared vibe. Start a group chat called Budget Ballers or Frugal Fun Squad. Post tier 1 or 2 ideas weekly. Turn saving into a game. Who can save more before weekend? Won't friends think I'm cheap? Cheap is canceling last minute. Cheap is ghosting. Cheap is not showing up. Strategic is saying, let's do tacos at my place instead of that $50 brunch spot. Strategic is being the friend who plans unforgettable, affordable hangs. Pro tip: rotate who picks the activity. When it's your turn, suggest tier 1 or 2. When theirs, let them flex. Balance is key. Now that your social calendar's sorted, let's tackle the real nightmare. Saying no without ghosting your bestie's birthday dinner. The guilt-free bailout script: budgeting isn't just about money, it's about boundaries. Saying no isn't rejection, it's a superpower. You're not letting friends down, you're lifting your future self up. Let's rewrite the guilt script. The 4-step no code. Step 1, ditch the drama. Old script: I'm so broke I can't go. Sounds like failure. New code: I'm prioritizing my goals right now. Sounds like purpose. Step 2, the yes and. Example: friend, we're doing bottomless mimosas Sunday. You: yes, I love brunch, and let's do a potluck at my place instead, I'll make pancakes. Why it works: validates their idea while redirecting to your terms. Step 3, the FOMO-killer close. Script: I'm out this time, but I'm all in for in bracket specific cheaper plan. Text me the deets. Creates anticipation for the next hangout, killing FOMO. Step 4, the bounce back rule. Action: within 24 hours, propose a tier 1 or 2 hangout. Example: can't wait for Saturday's hike, I'll bring the trail mix. Proactivity replaces guilt. When they push back, and they will. Pushback 1, come on just this once. Code response, I'd love to, but I'm locked into a challenge right now. Let's do X instead, my treat. Pushback 2, you're no fun anymore. Code response, fun, I'm planning a glow-in-the-dark karaoke night. You in? Deflect with humor plus a budget-friendly idea. The stealth wealth mindset. Reframe no as not now. I'm saving up for X, but let's celebrate when I hit my goal. Turn friends into cheerleaders. Share wins. Guys, I just saved $200 this month. Let's talk about it. Makes them part of your journey. You've mastered the art of no. But what if your friends are the secret weapon to saving faster? Let's turn your squad into a saving SWAT team. The undercover saving squad. What if your squad joined your budget? Suddenly, frugality becomes a team sport. Saving alone is like eating a salad while your friends devour pizza. No shame, no isolation, just shared wins and laughs. Here's how to make it happen. The 30-day Squad Savings Challenge. Phase 1, Week 1, declare war on waste. Group mission. Let's collectively save $1,000 this month. How? Cancel one subscription. Everyone ditches one unused service, gym, apps, etc. Swap one pricey habit. Coffee runs for DIY brew-offs to post in the group chat and see whose is the best. Post receipts in a waste wall of shame. Phase 2, the accountability amp. Assign roles. The detective hunts for group deals. The hype person celebrates wins. The rule breaker gets one cheat day to splurge. Phase 3, the victory lap. Pool savings for a group reward. Rent a projector for a backyard movie night. Split a fancy cheese board for a bougie on a budget tasting. The psychology hack, social FOMO. Humans hate feeling left out. Use it to your advantage. Post savings wins publicly. Just saved $100 by skipping brunch. Who's next? Turn peer pressure into progress. Jenny's killing her debt. Let's catch up. Suddenly, saving feels like scoring points in a game everyone's playing. The no judgment rule. Problem. Fear of being shamed for slip-ups. Fix. Create a grace jar. Every time someone overspends, they add $1 to fund a future group activity. Turns mistakes into motivation. Example, I blew $50 on sushi, but the jar gets one for our next hike. How to pitch this to friends? Anyone else wanna save $500 this month? I've got a dumb idea involving thrift store challenges. I'm bored of spending $100 every weekend. Let's try something wild and save instead. This appeals to curiosity, not guilt, makes frugality sound like an adventure. Your friends can either drain your wallet or become your wealth-building crew. You've just cracked how to save money without losing friends. But what if I told you there's a way to make your budget addictive? In my last video, I broke down the exact 3-bucket system that turned $80,000 debt into freedom for thousands. Click on this video to watch. Your future self will high-five you.